Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. My name is Brian, and you're watching Doodle Art, which is my channel. So today I'm gonna be finally be doing a Bridgman head. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the Bridgman head starts with an oval like this, and here's where the eye is gonna be. And the nose. So I'm just drawing the very basic form of how George Bridgman interprets head. Okay, here's the focal point right there where the chin is, and the neck, and the eye. So that's where the eye socket is going to be. Now let's draw lips like this. Okay, so there's the other basic form of a head right there. Let me just go ahead and do some highlighting right here. So here's the landmarks. The chin and the mouth, where mouth's gonna be. And here's the nose, nostril, and the eyes, where the eye socket is gonna be. So let me just put these outlines right here so you guys could see a little more clearly. And the ears. Okay, there you go. And here's let me just go ahead and do the other one right here. Just where eyes gonna be. Just circle. Next gonna be again eyes. Just where the eyes gonna be. And the nose. Chin's gonna be right there. Yeah, so guys, this video is completely unscripted, so just wish me luck. I'm gonna just try to draw this just by using pen instead of a pencil. Because I didn't notice that every time I try to draw with a pencil, you really can see it on the screen too well, unfortunately. Okay, so let's see. So here's where the center line is. Just where the focal point will be. Okay, so let's move on to our next head, which is that. Okay, so this one, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use a pencil. In perspective, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perspective, and here's a box right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be drawing a head within the 2-point perspective line, as you can see right here. And just a small circle like this. Forehead. So it's gonna be like I think they call this like 45-degree angle shot. I'm not sure what the word is. And here's where the eye's gonna be. And the cheekbone, the mandible. I mean not mandible, but I don't know what this is called. And here's the jawline, neck, and just where the ear's gonna be. Okay, so let me just grab a pen one more time and try to indicate. So here's where the eye's gonna be, along with the eye socket. Chin. Here's the nose, nostril, and here is the difficult part right here, the mouth. I always struggle with the mouth part for some reason. I always ended up misplacing it. Okay, so let's see. So here's the mouth, the lips. Okay, so guys, I'll try to keep this under like 10 minutes because on some of the previous videos that I've done, I went on just way too long, all the way up to like 20 or 17 minutes, and that's I know this kind of a drawing session could be extremely boring. So I'm just trying to keep this as short as possible, short and the informative as possible. Okay, so here's the side view. Adam's apple. Okay, so again, I did this on 2-point perspective. Construct the face like this. Okay, so here's another George Bridgman head. And let me move on to a different project. Another simple form of George Bridgman's head. Yeah, those actually happens to be a lot of example on the George Bridgman's constructive anatomy book is when it comes to the head drawings. So I will probably have to make like several more videos on this alone. And yeah, after reading through it, the head section of this book, I found it to be really interesting actually. So I'm hoping that as I do this in future projects, I hope you guys find this informative, and I find this extremely informative myself too, as I'm actually doing this right now. Okay, let me switch back to my left hand so you guys could see what I'm doing. So here's a nose. So this right here is the simplest form of George Bridgman's head method. so there's that. And let me work on the other one. So here's that. So here's the nose and here's the mouth. How it's gonna be. So let me just go ahead and erase these other unnecessary lines. Okay, so here's another example right here. Let me just go ahead and work on the other one. I can just start from the oval like this. And here's the chin. There's a focal point. Okay, so let me just go ahead and switch to is the left side, right side. The lips. Okay, and then let's move on to our side view. Just draw a circle like this. So here's the eyes, the forehead, the nose, and the lips. And the chin. And the ear part. Okay, now let's take a pen. Eye socket is going to be, and here's the bottom of the nose, the lips, Okay, so there's another head right there. And the last one. And it's gonna be a back side view. Eyes, nose, and here's gonna be where the mouth is gonna be, and the chin. Eye socket. Okay, so let me just take a pen. And here's where the ear is gonna be. Okay, this one I think I kind of messed it up. Sorry guys, but yeah, I hopefully you find this a little helpful. So these right here are the most basic form of George Bridgman's head. So yeah, there are like so many different like examples right here on the book. So I'm gonna have to like make a like several different more series on this. So far I've just kind of covered the only like first 2 pages of it, of the book right here. As you can see, this is one of the drawing that I did. I think this is the one right here. But yeah, I didn't do exactly right, unfortunately. And all these like other scope part that I kind of missed out, which I'll be covering on the next episode. But for now, yeah, I missed my. I went on too long. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this informative. I'll try to prepare better next time to give you guys more insight on how these the head construction works in the Bridgman method. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on next episode. Thank you.